Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Porsche 934/5. So okay, this is by Hot Wheels from their silver series, more specifically from the Pantone series. So this is a chase in this particular series. At least that's what people call it because it's the last one. And so recently, every silver series Hot Wheel puts out, the last car is a full metal car because we unboxed the Spider-Man series. The Spider-Man car is, I mean, that van or truck, whatever you call it, that is a full metal one. This is a full metal one. And even in the Fast and the Furious series, the Sylvia S13, that is a full metal car. We will be unboxing that next week. So yeah, so okay, I bought this for 299, which is the MRP. So let's open it and see how this one looks. Honestly, a lot of people are actually going nuts over this casting. Again, a lot of, I don't know, I okay. So I know there are a lot of Porsche fanboys out there. Some people, honestly, most people nowadays, they just go for the hype, and most people don't even know the history about a car, why it is famous and why they are doing it. So if you ask about Lamborghini, I will be able to say I really don't mind much about other brands. So I really wish that they could have done one casting in the series in Lamborghini. I mean, a red Huracan would be really nice, or a red Aventador would be really nice. I mean, Lamborghini literally launched, from even from back in the days, they launched all the cars with like freaking amazing colors. Like you can see literally here. I mean, I don't know what to say. Okay, this car came with a small protector. So yeah, let me put this in. I'm not going to put this inside anyway. I mean, I'm talking about the car. So here is the car art. So they cropped it a little bit here. They could have strict the size of the car in this one. Okay, let's talk about the casting now. Honestly, the casting looks really beautiful. It is very heavy. Okay, so it has a lot of positive things actually. So the window is actually very light yellow. The windshields and windows are, so you can easily see through the interior here. That looks really beautiful, and it has headlight details to it, and I'm happy that they didn't mess this up. And it has tail light detailing to it as well. So this tail light here, you can see that is a separate piece of plastic there, so that is not a paint. So that is really awesome, and I'm really happy they actually went with the set of rims for this particular car since it's a classic and it matches really well. So again, it is a full metal car. So chassis has a little bit of detailing to it. It has exhaust details here, so I'm really happy about on that part. And it has good hood detailing here. So it has a rear view mirror detailing here. That looks really good. So overall the casting is really promising. It looks really beautiful as well. So you can see the grill detailing here. Again, everything is metal. Okay, let's weigh this casting. So the tires are actually okay. Let me check that one out. Okay, tires are actually plastic. Someone actually asked me whether tires are rubber. I think in the Spider-Man casting, if I'm not wrong. So usually Hot Wheels don't won't they never do that for a silver line series. They won't actually put a rubber wheel. So in main lane they do that only for STH. So rest of them goes for premiums. Okay, 57 grams. It's okay. Honestly, the cool combi with it, the cool combi is very small, and it has plastic chassis, and that was 40 grams. This is a full metal casting and is a huge casting compared to the cool combi, and this is just 57 grams. That's unbelievable. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it does. I know it has wide rear, on this car. So here it is getting stuck. I don't know why it is getting stuck here because the entire track is of similar width and similar length. Okay, so far actually it doesn't create any noise or anything. It is smooth when it rolls. So if you are having a wider track, I'm hoping that this would perform really well. So let's rate this casting. So honestly, I don't have any issue with this casting. It's a solid 10 by 10 from my end. It's a beautiful casting. See, my request is don't go for the hype. I usually buy the entire set because of the, because I need to put out these videos for you guys. So I usually buy the entire set. If I'm just collecting this set, I would have just went with only like, only like four cars. I would have left out the school combi and twin mill. Rest everything, since I am a fan of muscle cars, I would have bought that Mustang and Copo Camaro. I do love JDM, so I would have went with the Fairlady Z. So this one I would have went with, maybe because it's a full metal casting. I personally don't like Porsche that much. So if I'm collecting more specifically, I would have left this particular casting out, to be very honest. So I'm not going to sell this, but I'm just saying, if I'm actually collecting, or if I'm not putting out any videos, only like purely collecting, I would have went with only not even four. Excluding this, I would have went with only three castings. So don't go for the hype. If you really love the casting, put your money into it, or at least the actual car I'm talking about. If you love the actual car, put your money into that casting and buy it, or else let the other collector collect it, and don't scalp. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.